Hi, welcome to Borough Photo. I'm Keith Marlowe. Until a plague descended on humanity, I taught the introduction to photography classes at the Bushwick Community Darkroom. The classes cover the basics of analog film photography, how to use a manual camera, how to read a light meter, how to pick out the film that's appropriate for what you're shooting, how to load a tank and use chemistry to develop your film, and darkroom basics like what an enlarger is, what a timer is, different kinds of paper, the chemistry you use, and how to make a print in the darkroom. Because I'm a big know-it-all who likes having a captive audience, I really miss teaching these classes. So we're going to start doing a video a week and posting it on the Darkroom's YouTube page. The class I'm going to teach next week is Introduction to Camera. I'm going to go over the different size cameras, different format cameras, and the film they take, talk about their advantages and disadvantages, and we're going to go over camera basics like aperture, shutter speed, film speed, ISO, and how to make a basic exposure. If you're interested in following along and you have a camera you're not that comfortable with, you might not have used it before, you don't know if the light meter works, you don't know what kind of battery it takes, email us at the Darkroom, tell us the model number, and tell us what your issue is. Also, if you got yourself some sweet stimulus money and you want to help picking out your first camera, we can help you do that too. If you're interested in following along, and I know a lot of people are on a tight budget, you can actually get little black and white true film disposable cameras from Ilford, mail it into the Darkroom, and we can just process the film and give you scans. The class after the camera class is the film developing class. If you shoot film, you can send it to our drop off at the Bushwick Community Darkroom for developing and scanning. And I know you can't be in a darkroom for printing, but we can make prints for you here at Borough Photo and mail them to you or drop them off if you're in New York. If you're at home and you want to develop film, there's a list of the supplies you'll need below and a website you can order them from. And there's other websites that just have general camera tips, exposure tips, how to find the right battery for your camera, and good prices for used cameras. If you have any questions about that stuff, or basically anything I've said, if you need anything developed or printed, get a hold of us. We're here all day, every day, because we have nowhere else to go. See you guys next time for the camera class, and we're going to be dissecting this guy and checking out how he works. Yeah, sorry buddy, but you're gonna die. See you guys.